Hey guys, it's B Wiley. It is Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. My Sunday was so long, it made no sense. I'm here in St. Louis, and so time falls back. I know it don't fall back for everybody that's watching this. However, it falls back, honey. And yesterday felt like it was about 28 hours long, and transitioning over to today felt like it was 32 hours long. So praise God, we are here on this Monday, and as you can see, the title says, "Who's the Master?" Now, if you watched The Last Dragon, then sure enough is the master. But we're not talking about that movie. We're talking about who is the master. And when I talk about mastering, what are you mastering in your life? For me, for example, I am mastering the art of communication. I am mastering the art of listening. I am mastering the art of effectively doing my job so that you guys can learn from me, and then you can pass that on to people that you have in your life. So what are you mastering? What are you very good at naturally, but you might be putting on the back burner because you maybe don't believe in yourself, or you're insecure, or it's never been done in your family, or you don't know anybody who's done that. You just see it on TV. I'm telling you, a lot of us tend to master things that make no sense and that will add no value or be of no benefit to us 10 years from now, 5 years from now, an hour from now. We are masters at hacking into Facebook accounts and Instagram when our boyfriend don't come home at night. However, we're not mastering anything that is our gift and our talent, because we're utilizing that energy and we're pouring that energy into things that won't matter next week. So what is it that you could be mastering? What is it at the back of your mind that's always there? It's some kind of purpose or whatever you're passionate about. What could you be doing? Could you be mastering your money better? I know that I read a ton of books, and one of the books, Law of Attraction, it tells you to attract it, know how to manage it and invest it. You have to have a strategy on how to keep it and make it work for you in your sleep. You need to understand how to create that money, how to maintain it, and how to build your wealth. So, what are you mastering? If it is money, bravo to you, because that's another thing that I'm mastering right now outside of being an effective communication artist and a listener. I am mastering my money. And what I've done is I've gotten ahead of my bills versus paying them when they're due or paying them when I get a shut off notice. Hey, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. So, if you can agree with that, to pay your bills before they're due and pay them to where you don't have that stupid tax, like Judge Lynn Toller says, with the stupid tax is when things get cut off or when you pay it late. So you have these fees that can go from your car note. It can go from student loans. You get all this interest. It could go from your utilities. You get $15 here, $10 there, a deposit of $150. These things add up, and that causes stress. So if we want to lower that stress, we have to master things that matter versus mastering people. You can't master no person. So if a person is not acting right and they're not reciprocating what you're giving them, you got to let them slide, and you have to turn that energy and focus that energy on what you can master, which is self-development, business development, with whatever you're doing in your life, whatever it is your business is, whatever your company is, business development. Start utilizing energy that's going unused, because if you're putting it into somebody and they just blowing you off or just really not listening to you or couldn't be bothered by you, you're wasting that energy. Let's use that energy to master what's important so we can get that much further ahead, so we can break these lack what is it called? What is it called when it's something that carries on from generation to generation? These ties, these bad generational curses. Let's break that lack and being broke and being unwed and having all these children out of wedlock. Let's break these generational curses. Let's start with you. Maybe no one has done what you're trying to do in your family, and that's what makes you scared to do it. I'm telling you, master whatever it is and show us what you got. So that's just a message today. Master what you can, and what you can't, stop giving it the energy. It's not worth it. I am B Wiley. Follow me on social media: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. B Wiley. Get my book, Hello, My Name is Single, Ready to Mingle. It is available on Amazon as a soft copy as well as ebook too, on Barnes and Noble, and it's on Goodreads, and it's also on Google play. Thank you guys for watching. And anytime you feel down, feel angry, feel bitter, remember, what are we mastering? Think about it. What are we mastering and what are we wasting our time on? All right, guys, thanks for watching.